Hi everyone, this is Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video for you with a review of some of the products that I picked up from the Target skincare cartwheel sale in September. And I'm also going to do a review of a cushion compact that my friend gave me from Korea. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you watched my other video, which I'll link for you at the end, I had picked up a number of products from Target for their 20% off skincare cartwheel sale. And I wanted to let you guys know what I thought about them after I've been using them for a little while. So the first thing that I tried was the Biore Baking Soda Pore Cleanser. And it's great for combination skin, it says. So I used it, and it had like those little exfoliating beads in it, which is good on a day that I want to do that. I would say the smell of it, I wasn't really used to. It kind of had a stronger scent than I expected, but it's not bad. I think it does a good job of being a cleanser that you could use possibly every day. For me, the smell is a little bit intense, so I might not use it every day, but it is not as harsh to me as their version of this that has the charcoal. So I actually prefer this over the charcoal version of this. So I'll probably continue to use it. And since it was on sale, I'm glad that I was able to get this at a good price. The next one that I tried was the Biore Baking Soda Acne Cleansing Foam. So this one, I don't know if they're discontinuing it, but it was on clearance for some reason, and I used that discount of 20% off. So for this one, it's really a foaming, like really thin type of cleanser. I don't feel like I could use this every day. I don't feel like it was too strong. I also tried to use it with my Clarisonic Mia cleansing brush, my electric brush that I have, but I think that it was not, maybe not concentrated enough to be used with that, so I felt like the brush was too strong to use with this. But I feel like this is something that I could just use on the days that I didn't wear much makeup, or on the days where I don't want something too heavy as a cleanser. But I did appreciate the smell of this one compared to this one. So that's what my opinion is on this one. The next one that I tried was the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Foam Cleanser. I really, really enjoyed this from the beginning. So this one lathered up really nicely with only a small amount. It did make me sneeze the first time around, but it reminds me a lot of the aloe cleanser that I got in Japan from the Daiso store, which I haven't been able to find here. So I'm really excited for that, and it was reasonably priced, and it was on sale. So I'm probably going to use this a lot more. Even on the days when I have makeup on or I don't have makeup on, I feel like I would still use it. So this is a good one. The next one that I tried was the Misha Super Aqua Snail Cleansing Foam. So this one took me a little bit getting used to. I've used it twice so far. The first time that I used it, I think I told you guys that I like to just poke a small hole in the foil seal that's on it usually, so that only a small amount comes out. But I think since this is kind of a thicker formula, that wasn't such a good idea, because then not much came out, and then I had to squeeze it really hard. So I ended up making a bigger hole the second time around, and that helped. I would say the second time that I used it, it was more foaming than the first time also. So I liked it the second time better, but I don't know if it's just me having a little bit of sensitive skin, but for me, when I used this, I kind of felt like a little bit of irritation right below my nostrils right there. There was like a kind of like a redness. I don't know if that's just something I already had, like maybe from blowing my nose earlier in the week a lot, or if it had anything to do with this. But I'm going to keep trying, and I'm going to monitor how that goes. But in general, I liked how it smelled, and I liked the way that it foamed up, and it felt very like luxurious in my opinion. I don't know if it's just because I've never used a Snail product before, but I do think it's really good quality, and I am going to continue trying to use this one. And then the next thing that I got at Target was the Pacifica Purify facial cleansing wipes in, let's see, it has coconut water in this one. So I've tried other scents or other types of this wipe. This is the first time I've tried the one that's called Purify with coconut water, but I kind of knew what I was getting into since I like the other ones that I've had, and they've been coconut. So this did not disappoint. It was exactly what I expected. I like to use this on the days that I have face makeup on. So I usually just use it first just to remove the face makeup. And then I'll go in with a different kind of eye gel to remove the eye makeup. But this does the job for just getting the initial first layer off of my face before I cleanse my skin. So I like these. They're supposed to be 100% vegan and all natural, so I like that. The other wipe that I tried for the first time that I got from Target was the Bliss Makeup Melt Oil-Free with Chamomile. So this one, I was pleasantly surprised at how, for the same price as what I would normally pay for other wipes, these wipes actually seemed like they were bigger sheets. And I don't know if that's just because Bliss, is a little higher quality with their stuff or what it is, but compared to like the normal sizes that I'm used to with Pacifica or any other brands that I usually use, these actually seemed bigger and thicker, and maybe even a little bit softer, which was nice. The smell to me was just okay. Maybe it just takes some getting used to, but in terms of just the texture and the feel for it and the job that it did, I really like these. I think they're totally worth it. So if they're ever on sale again, I will definitely get them again. So yeah, those are the things I had gotten at Target. There were 2 more K-Beauty kits that I showed you guys in the other video, but I said I'm not going to do like a review because I'm giving those to people as gifts. But instead, I thought I would do a review of one other miscellaneous product that I did not get from Target, but I got it from my friend Irene. She gave me this cushion compact. It's from Misha. It's shade 23 SPF 50. I think it's the Essence cushion, but I probably should have looked this up. It's all in Korean, so I can't read it right now, but I am gonna look it up for you, and I'll list it for you guys in the info box. But I finally tried it. So the packaging is so pretty. And guys, I might be behind, but this is like my first cushion compact ever. So it was really exciting for me to try. So this is what the outside looks like. See, it's really thick. You press this little button here to just open it. And it comes with this little pad that you can slip your fingers through. And when I first did it, I only put 2 fingers in. I didn't realize that I could actually fit 3. And I felt like with 3, I had more control. So this is supposed to be an antibacterial pad. And as you can see, I've used it already, so I probably need to clean it. So it comes on top of this other plastic divider flap thing. And then when you open the flap, you can see the cushion, which is soaked in the BB cream. So I really loved using this. The way that I applied it was, when this was open, I pressed it down in the middle. I've heard tips from people saying to push it down in the middle, not all over the sides, because then it gets all over the edges and you don't want to do that. Just press it down in the middle and then you twist it like that to get it all over the sponge. And then what you do is just pat it onto your face to apply it. So with my experience, I felt like it was really luxurious when I was using this. To apply it, it just felt so soft and like really like creamy, and I liked using that applicator to kind of blend everything in. It was almost like using a beauty blender, but like a flat one. Um, and I really enjoyed it. So the way that I layered it on was, first I put on my moisturizer, then I put on a primer, and then I used this. I will say that with this and any other BB creams, I've noticed that I probably need some kind of setting powder because they don't really seem to set on their own, I feel like. Even after a few hours, like when I went to go eat dinner, I noticed that like I was still able to kind of smear it on my face when I was eating, and I didn't like that feeling. So what I'm probably going to do is pick up some kind of setting powder to apply on top of it, even though I didn't want to have to do an extra step in my routine. I just feel like with these cushion compacts and BB creams, that's something necessary that you have to kind of do just to maintain it. Let me know what you guys think, if you're more experienced with using BB creams or cushion compacts, and what you recommend. But yeah, that is my review today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.